chomp, chomp. Now we're going to pretend to pick up a Bendy. Yeah. Robot, 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 robot. Hi guys, my name is August, and today we are going to be opening the hydraulic arm. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is August, and today we are going to be opening the hydraulic robot arm. Yeah, this bad boy is a beauty. So, in a little bit, we are going to be opening this, but first you guys have to be subscribing and hit the notification bell, and make sure to leave a comment down below to see what this thing can do, because it says that it can only use on cans, but maybe you can use on it on some other stuff. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy right here. Okay. Yeah, cut it open. Okay, yeah, guys, this is hard. Cause okay, I got the plastic up, but okay, there we go. Okay, let me put my scissors right there. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, jeez. That was so much plastic. Now I think I know what to do now, but I'm just going to do it carefully. Guys, don't try this at home. This is very dangerous, but I'm just trying to open this, so I kind of have to do it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, these scissors are very helpful, very strong. These are actually safety scissors, by the way. Oh, I see. Yeah, we're gonna have to build this, of course. No, tape. Come on, tape. There's tape. Tape, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. I got the tape. Don't worry, I got the tape. Here we go. Are these like karate chopsticks? Okay, let's pour it out. Okay, good one. Yeah, there is some other stuff. Oh my gosh! So that's like supposed to be a maze or something. I don't know. Okay, more cardboard, because who doesn't want enough cardboard? And instructions and just a dumb piece of paper. Here's the real instructions. So there's not too much to build. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, my dad's going to build this, by the way, because I don't know how to build, because you've seen my past videos. Yeah, I'm a kid. Hi guys, I didn't see you there. Hi guys. This is a plunger and a piston. And what we're going to do is that we're going to put those two together just like so. Guys. Okay guys, I am basically putting on the screwing on the piston holder. Yeah. Okay. I'm having a little trouble with this right now. There we go. Woo, that is some beauty right there. Okay, it's actually still a little wobbly. So let me do it a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't have any screws, so we have to be very careful. Boom. Box. Let's see if scissors can cut a box. This is a cardboard, right? Well, boxes are made out. Okay, guys, so now we're detaching the jaws. And so, let's do this. Okay, I think we should, like, move this. Okay, no, we have to take that off. Take that off. Take that off. Okay. This is hard. That is good. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be working yet because it's not finished and it doesn't have any screws in it. My mistake. These are screws, but these are pins. They actually kind of remind me of a plunger and a bell. Okay. Would it go in the stay. Okay then. Okay. Other side maybe. Boom. Boom. Oh, okay. I think I know what to do. They're kind of like screws because they're, oh, guys, look at this. It's like, watch, but watch. It can like capture things. Actually, thank you. I think you actually have to hold it. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey.
Did you get all the water in there?
No, I didn't. Wait, do I have to get all of it?
Here, pull it slowly all the way back. Ooh, okay, that looks good. No, it's a spring trap. Cool.
Are you talking about the animatronic?
No, I'm talking about the spring inside the trigger gun.
Oh, okay.
Very cool. No, don't you do that.
Look at this beauty. This beauty? What do you like that? This works. work. We'll try. It works. That scared me. I was thinking of like picking. Okay.
The tip.
Okay. Chomp, chomp. Now we're going to pretend to pick up ink Bendy. It works. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, basically it has beans in them. Bye guys. So, and now here's the little chomp for you guys.